Grandma can make a nipa hat, Jelana. Ask Grandma to do it. Make a nipa hat, mother, now 10,000 pesos.
Yeah, Mama.
40,000. Grabe naman ang ano na ngayon, no? Mahal naman na lahat sa Pilipinas din.
Wow.
10,000 so 200.
Oh my God.
Oo nga.
Pag dito
Oh
sa
my God. Oh my gosh.
pag doon mahal.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Remember, you don't say that. You say, oh my word.
Oh no. Oh my God. I got it down.
See?
Yeah, okay. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God.
Dad, look at Jelana.
Oh my God.
Ano ka na magsulat tayo ng pangalan mo? Lagay mo dito.
Yung Q. Yeah, where's your pen?
Akin yung pen.
Wait. Put it in my bag.
Please.
Please.
Please, Grandma.
Yung kamay mo.
Wait, I don't want me.
Tignan ko.
Oh.
Jay, don't be baliktad.
Bakit? Huwag mo lagyan ng tuldok ah.
De nada.
Ganito ni. Akin yung kamay mo.
It's okay, it's okay. Jelana, focus. Focus. Look at Grandma.
I want to see it.
Well, look at Grandma.
Ganyan ay.
And
Jelana. Puro kapital naman ang pinag-aano mo eh.
it was an A.
Oh.
That A.
Come on now.
Kapital naman ang gusto mo na A.
A.
Oh. Ganito ang paggawa mo ng A na yung small. Yung anak ni A. Ganyan yung anak niya.
Baby A.
Baby.
Wait.
Ito yung baby ni baby.
Okay,
A.
ma. Oh, yeah.
A. Ganun. A.
Tata.
A. Ganyan o. A.
Oh, there's naughty. What's an A?
Akin ang kamay mo.
Okay. I'm going to try the A.
Okay, put your hand. Grandma can help your hands now.
Sige. Sige. A. Marami.
Amida.
Jelana, you're changing the topic. You're not focused.
I can't do this.
You need to focus.
I tell you what.
Na. Akin na.
No, I don't want to write my name.
Huwag ka na nga bumili ng regalo niya sa birthday. Write your name.
Ano yan?
Practice.
What's your name?
Jelana. Hindi ka mag-hotdog No iPad.
I think
You have to write your name really, really nice. Or else you're gonna lose all your stuff.
got me this.
You have to write your name, anak. So you know when you can write in your
Where my
A. Oh, like that. N. Oh. Tama na ah. A. A. Ganon din ah. Oh, yan. Oh.
Oh wow, good job. Do it again 10 times.
Ganon kita